warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Sharma and today I'll be showing you on how to make my all-time favorite snack. If you like caramel, then this recipe is definitely for you. But before I start, let me give you a brief explanation on what I'm about to make. So let's say one day you are craving for a small snack, such as a popcorn. But sadly, you don't have any corn kernels in your house to make a popcorn. But what if I tell you that instead of using a corn kernel, we'll use something that commonly have in a household. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you on how to make a caramel bread popcorn. Instead of using a corn kernel as the popcorn, we'll use a bread. So let's prepare the ingredients. So in this recipe, you'll only need 5 ingredients that commonly have in your household. All you need is 2 slices of bread for the popcorn. For the caramel sauce, all you need is 4 tablespoons of sugar, 5 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of margarine. So, now you know the ingredients, let's proceed to the process step by step. First thing first, all you need to do is cut the bread into a small dice, like this. So once you are done, it will look like this, like a small dice. So the next step is, we'll toast this bread on the stove in a pan at medium heat. Just pour all the bread into the pan and stir it well. We want the bread to be a golden brown color. After done, you can set it aside. First, pour the sugar and water and wait until the sugar turns golden brown at medium-low heat. Next, pour the milk and margarine and stir it all together until it is well combined. Once all of the ingredient has combined well, pour the toast bread in it and stir it until it is well combined. You want to stir it well because we want all the caramel sauce to cover the bread. And now we are done. So this is the caramel bread popcorn. So now the caramel popcorn is done. All you need to do now is serve it nicely and presentable. So option 1, you can pour this caramel bread popcorn into a popcorn bag to make it like you are buying it straight from the movie theater. Or option 2, you can serve it as a topping on an ice cream, as a sprinkle. So here I have an ice cream. I'll be using option 2. So I'll be sprinkling this caramel popcorn into the vanilla ice cream. Okay, look at that. See? So now it's time for the taste test. So now we are at the end of the video, and I must say that this recipe is very easy and very simple to make, and anyone can enjoy this from a young age to an old age. You can enjoy it anywhere, anytime, such as on a picnic or watching a movie, or you can even eat it on a stressing day when you are very stressed, and this mouth-watering snack is a very good stress relief. So that's all from me. Thank you and bye-bye!